Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable the app lock in OneDrive mobile. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed the application and logged into my account. If you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to disable the app lock. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply try to go to settings. At the bottom right corner of the screen, just next to photos, you will see a button like this that is called as Me. Click on it right now. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. As you can see, lots and lots of options. But right now, what we need to do is simply scroll down till we see something called as Settings. It is just below Notifications. Click on it right now. Once you are in the settings page, worry not. Simply scroll down till you see something called as Security. Right here is Security, and just below it is something called as App Lock. Click on it right now. It might ask you to enter your PIN or credentials. Simply enter it. Once you enter it, you will be redirected to this page. Do note, from here you can change the PIN, disable the use of biometrics, or simply turn off App Lock. Right now we want to turn off the App Lock, so I'm simply gonna click on the button at the very end. It's asking for my confirmation. Simply hit on turn off. And guys, that is it. That's how we disable App Lock in OneDrive mobile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, to remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.